Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the distance formula to find the exact distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. The distance formula comes straight from the Pythagorean theorem. It says, the distance d between 2 points equals the square root of the quantity x, 2 minus x1, squared, plus y, 2 minus y1, squared. It looks like a lot at first, but once you see it in action, it becomes very straightforward. Let's work through an example together. Our 2 points are 1, -3, and -4, 9. The first thing we do is label our values. From the first point, x1 equals 1, and y1 equals -3. From the second point, x2 equals -4, and y2 equals 9. Now we substitute into the formula. Inside the square root we have -4 minus 1 squared plus 9 minus -3 squared. Let's simplify each part. -4 minus 1 is -5. -5 squared is 25. 9 minus -3. Remember, subtracting a negative means we add, so that becomes 9 plus 3, which is 12. 12 squared is 144. Now we have the square root of 25 plus 144, which is the square root of 169. And the square root of 169 is exactly 13. So the distance between the points 1, -3, and -4, 9, is 13 units.